Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for link price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the weekly chart here, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse towards the upside, finishing a wave A or a wave 1 for link. And after this, we are looking at 3 corrective waves, which are a very complex waves. Now it can be, of course, summarized in 3. They are 5 actually in WX, Y, and XZ, of course, because it is a very long sideways range here, finishing a Z wave, which is very special for link here, and finishing a wave B or a wave 2 or a wave A, of course, in a magenta scenario, which is our bearish scenario for later. So A, B, and a C toward the upside, your wave. C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, looking for higher prices as we have finished a wave 1 here. Impulsively, ABC, perfect correction, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and looking for wave 5 still to finish this wave 3 toward the upside. In case we finish this wave 3, we would like, of course, to finish a wave 4 without invalidation, of course, much more preferably without taking this wave 1 here, and then continuation towards the upside. Preferably that we get an extended wave 5 in this scenario. In case a wave 4 will be deeper, you will have a little bit space to, of course, move a little bit down comfortably for a wave 4 and then moving up for a wave 5 without invalidation of this impulse. So if we move a little bit later, we're gonna see, of course, if this wave 4 has finished or not. But before doing so, let's see the other scenario in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you know, of course, it can be a bigger wave 3 towards the upside, 4 and a 5 continuation in the blue count, of course. Now, the bearish scenario. The bearish scenario is once you finish, of course, this one more leg toward the upside, this can transform to an ABC toward the upside, especially as well if you got a very short leg wave 5. Meaning this might ends up on the 1-to-1 fib level. If this happens, of course, by hitting only the 1-to-1 fib level, meaning a higher probability becomes very close, of course, to finish this as a zigzag at the 1-to-1 fib level, of course, which is the most common target for a zigzag, and turning this into a bearish scenario, meaning 3 waves down, 3 waves up as a zigzag, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave C. So yeah, these are the scenarios, guys. If we move a little bit closer right now, let's move on the 4-hour chart. We can see, of course, on the 4-hour chart, where are we now in this move toward the upside, where we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We did not invalidate yet. You see your invalidation at the $13 exactly. And of course, we have already kind of like ABC. We were expecting that this to be 1, 2. Obviously, it was invalidated with link. Yeah, unfortunately. So probably even we still need one more low. Oh yeah, like every coin right now, it's this move toward the downside, even without invalidation of an impulse, meaning 1, 2, 1, 2 probably, or even 1 A, B, C for a wave, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We did not invalidate this impulse towards the downside, so the invalidation, yeah, is still far. Invalidation of bearish. So yeah, probably then we are looking still for a correction. Now a wave C is required in order, yeah, I mean, unless this is impulsive, we're gonna move in. But if this is a wave 2 here, your wave 2 is very shallow regarding the wave 4. I mean, the wave 4 time is very shallow regarding this wave. So it has to be here something. It might be a triangle probably for a wave 4, because we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Very probable. Your wave 4 can be longer, yes. So yeah, very high probability, guys. A, B, and a C. And by the way, most of the crypto today I start to realize that the things are going into triangles. Almost most of the cryptos that it has the same leg here, that we have analyzed in the live stream also in the weekend, we saw many of them have this very, very huge leg toward the downside. Some of them have invalidated this scenario, some of them did not. One of them is Link. So probably today I realized that this might start to transform into a triangle. And of course, regarding the length of the wave 2, you might, of course, go double time. So A, B, C, D, E, and then moving this one more leg toward the downside. That looks very, very probable. Yeah, so we're gonna see anyway. But here we go. Your one-to-one fib level taken from this start to the end is at the $14.25 or 22, which is still higher than your invalidation, which is, of course, I mean, it should be, unless, okay, I would say, okay, bearish, probably a bullish scenario can be invalidated, yeah. So if we dive deeper, of course, that's not good for the bulls, yeah. But probably, I think that this might goes sideways a little bit and then moves this wave 5 and then moving toward the upside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, that looks a nice impulse. Yeah. So these are the insights for Link. Probably, yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen, but it's very boring. I know, guys, it's very boring these days. I thought that yesterday. Okay, we might even go a little bit more active. But it looks like it doesn't. I mean, it went out of the range a little bit, but it went back somehow. We're still estimating the situation, but everything still says kind of like it needs one more wave to finish, and then moving toward the upside. Continuation of this big impulse: 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah. Yeah, so these are the insights for Link. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.